Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you. Always keep smile and live happily. In this video, I can share you as amazing and beautiful style areas. What is this most beautiful and different collections I can share with you. So these style ideas are very different. Hope you will like it. What is this doll? They my best and different collections. It's beautiful and unique stylish ideas. Sharing this my channel, so hope you will like it. As these stylish ideas are very different, as more stunning and fashionable ideas. So my dear viewers, as unique and different collections. So what is all the best different gorgeous styling as beautiful baby diaper showers. Hope you will like it. I can share it with you. So these styles ideas are very different. As my dear friends, so hope you will like these styles and beautiful areas. As my dear viewers, inshallah I can share it with you as beautiful and more stunning styles. And different collections. Beautiful baby diaper showers. So my dear friends, these styles areas are very different. Have beautiful and unique styles. I can share it with you as most beautiful updates in different collections. We watches all the best styles and different ideas. I can share it with you. So my dear friends, in different baby diaper showers like diaper escapes ideas. So what is all my latest and different styles I can share it with you.